Dear daughter, have you known me to keep you in the wilderness? Have you ever looked to the winds and seen me dance at your groans? Have you ever looked to the clouds and seen me smile at your turbulent times? Since when have you known me to keep you in the wilderness? I know your strengths, my little girl. I know what you think of just before dawn breaks, what you weep about every full moon. I know what moves you to bow before me. Remember, I am your God. I chose you before you chose me. I thought of you, child. Be still. Volcanoes shudder to the authority of my voice. So what mountains can you not move? What of the authority I vested in you? When Goliaths challenge you and walls of Jericho encircle you, be bold and courageous. Be bold and courageous. Be bold and courageous. For I am with you. I will never leave you nor forsake you. I am your God. What I allow in your life, no man can disapprove. My yes is yes, my no is no. I do not deny you without reason. I am a perfectionist. Wait. There will be days when you feel the world crushing you, when you have no more strength left in you. In these moments, my child, cast all your cares on me. Be alert and of sober mind. When the world encircles you, know that I am with you. Be still. Be still, my child. Be still. There will be days when your teardrops hit the ground and heaven will not rest until you are comforted. Be still, my child. The tides will no longer steal your star. You will flow in this grace. You will rise. You will soar. You will be still and know that I am God. You will know that in this world I give you life and I give it to you in abundance. Preserve yourself for me, my little girl. Do not open up your heart to everyone you see. Allow me to hide you from this world and the enemy. Allow me to keep you. Allow me to paint an air of mystery within you. Allow me to raise you in this generation as a being of substance different from everyone else. And when you are broken, be still in the knowledge that I will be here to mend you. I will be here to repair you. Be still, daughter. Love.